Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to change this bottom part, and we will create something similar to this dev.to profile page. Okay, so we are going to make card for this currently learning skills and language and currently hacking on, and these comments and all. Okay, so firstly, just go to VS Code, and here we are going to change this part. Okay, so we have already changed all those parts. Okay, and now here I'll just enter and make a big space, and just I will write comment. Okay, a big line. Okay, now here I am just going to create div.row. Okay, and here I will give class of mt-2, so margin top 2, and inside that I am going to create class, I mean div again, and if this will have class of call, so call hyphen md hyphen 3. Okay, and yeah, this is it. And I will create two div tags. So first div tag will be having header, so I'll say div dot card. Okay, inside which I will create div dot card hyphen header, so it is div. Okay, header, hit enter, and here I will just copy this currently learning, and in div dot card hyphen body I will just write p tag, and I will just write this. Okay, then after completing this div tag, I will create one more div which will be call hyphen md hyphen 9. So we have 12 grading css, so if we minus 3 from 12, then we have 9. Okay, so if I create this class, and I will just copy this for loop. Okay, for loop, and inside for whatever we have inside this for loop, I'll just copy that, press Ctrl X, and I will just paste that over here, and I will remove this h1 tag. Okay, just save, and come over here and refresh. So now you can see we got this layout. Okay, now if we do something like this, then you can see we have similar layout, right? Okay, so now I will make few more cards. Okay, so I'll just open VS Code again, and let me see. Okay, I need to remove this empty card, because see, if you look very carefully, then we have this margin top differing. Okay, so this has less margin top, and this has little bit more. Okay, so here we have given 2, and here we already given 1, so it's giving empty 3. So we need to remove this empty 1, and just save and refresh. So you can see it got little bit up. Okay, then I will just format this. Oops, I need to configure with HTML language formatter. Okay, now I will create two more cards, and here this is going to hold skills and languages, so I'll just write that over here. And for now I am just going to write Django comma Python. Okay, and what else we have currently hacking on. Okay, so this dev tag should be below. Okay, and here I will say currently hacking on. Okay, with h3 tag or h4 tag, h4. Okay, so I'll just cut this, paste over here. These skills and languages should be in h4 tag, and currently learning should be in h4 tag. Okay, so I'll just create one more class, I mean one more div, and this will not hold any header. Okay, so this is basically going to hold all the counts of post and comments. Okay, so I'll just close this now, we don't need it, right? Come over here, refresh, and we got all the cards. So you can see these cards are sticking to each other. See, if I zoom, then you can see these cards are sticking to each other. Okay, so we don't want that, so I'll just give mt-2 to all these cards. I don't want to give to first card, but I'll give to second card. Okay, second, then I also want to give to third card, then fourth. Okay, I'll just paste that. Come over here, refresh, so you can see every card has now separated. Okay, now after doing this, um you know let us bring out the counts of the post. Okay, so I'll just remove this and I will say p tag. Here I am going to copy this variable user related data. Okay, I'll just paste that and I will say dot count. Okay, come over here and just refresh, and you can see I have one. And now after that I will just write posts. Okay, and I think this is it. Refresh. Okay, so we got count of posts. Now we are going to create these skills and languages database in the next video. Okay, this currently hacking on also, and currently learning on also. Okay, so I think we have created this design. So I think we have created this profile very well. Okay, and if you want to remove this these buttons, then you can. Okay, and if someone clicks on this card or this title, then they will be redirected to this blog detail page. So I don't think so we need to change it, it is looking fine. Okay, so we are not making dev.to clone, so we will not copy all the designs, but yeah, we can grab some ideas, right? So here I can do one more thing. So I'll just remove this small tag. So I don't want the particular user to see all the blogs over here only, right? So I'll just limit the data. So what I can do over here is I will go to authors views .py, and in this profile we are querying this user related data. Okay, so I can just write square bracket and I will say colon and 5. Okay, or I will say just 6. So he will be only able to see 6 data. Okay, 6 blocks, not more than that. Okay, and if he want to see all the blogs, then we will create new link over here which will say dashboard, and he will be redirected to dashboard, and there he can see number of as many blogs as he want to see. Okay, he can see number of blogs, whatever he want to do he can do there, but we are going to limit this because it is not going to look fine actually. So that's why I'm not doing that. Okay, so I hope you got my idea, right? So yeah, and here this title bar, see this title bar is not at all fine, this title bar. Okay, so we need to change that also. So I'll just give you one basic idea how we can change that, and for all the pages you need to change by your own. Okay, because the method is going to be same but title will be different for different pages. You also know that concept, right? So if I go to VS Code and in base.html, I'll just remove this document and I will say dw, and here I'll say hyphen, and I will create block and I will name it title. Okay, and if I copy this title block and you go to home.html, I mean blog underscore home, and inside this I'll just write blog home. Save this click on this home button and you can see we have changed the title. Okay, you can see here, you can see, right? So you need to change this all in all page because it is going to show you document only. Okay, if I click on contact us, then you can see we got DW because in contact us we have not added this block of title. So here I will say contact us like this. Okay, so just save. So you need to change all this by your own, right? And now our profile page is fine. So let's work on the currently learning skills and languages and currently hacking on in a next video, right? And after that we are going to create this dashboard and we will also see concept of pagination in Django, right? So that is also again a very important concept. Okay, so yeah, I will see you there. Thank you.